asked Google, why do international students in countries like Canada, Germany, and Australia get hired faster than locals? The answer really shocked me. And in this video, I am revealing the top 10 courses abroad with almost 100% job guarantee. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Student Helpline. If your dream is to study abroad and land a secure job right after graduation, this video is just for you. We'll uncover the most employable programs worldwide, real stats, salary data, and industry tie-up. And don't skip till the end. I'll share 5 bonus tips on how to actually make that job guarantee your reality. Before we jump into the list, here's the reality. No course can literally promise a job to every single graduate, but some programs get really close with placement rates between 80 to 100% because of industry tie-ups, internships, and strong demand. In 2025, the most employable fields include data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, healthcare, renewable energy, fintech, and robotics. Now, before we jump into top 3, here's a quick fact. These next courses have placement rates so high, some universities don't even need you to apply for jobs. Stay with me because the number 1 course might surprise you. So let's count down our list of top 10 courses abroad with job guarantee from number 10 to number 1. At number 10, we have Teaching English Abroad, TEFL or TOEFL. These programs are perfect if you love communication and travel. Many TEFL courses abroad actually guarantee job placements in partner schools across Spain, Thailand, Japan, and Mexico. You learn teaching methodology, lesson planning, and cultural communication, and you can often start earning right after certification. I have a tip for you. Choose an accredited course that includes real classroom experience. TEFL jobs might not pay as high as tech, but they give you global exposure and guaranteed work abroad. At number 9, we have Network Engineering, Cloud Computing, and DevOps. These courses are for the techies who love infrastructure and automation. As companies shift online, there's a huge global demand for network engineers and cloud specialists. You'll learn about AWS, Azure, CI/CD pipelines, Docker, and Kubernetes. To stand out, get certified AWS Solutions, Cisco CCNA, or Kubernetes and build real projects. Salaries in these fields abroad range between $85,000 to $120,000 annually. At number 8 is Data Science and Analytics, the gold mine of modern careers. Every company needs people who can turn data into insight, and universities abroad now include mandatory internships and data labs that connect students with companies. You'll study statistics, Python, ML models, and visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. To maximize your chances, build a public portfolio on GitHub or Kaggle. Specialize in one domain and keep networking. At number 7, we have Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. If you want to work on futuristic tech, self-driving cars, chatbots, or smart assistants, this one's just for you. Global demand for AI engineers is skyrocketing. Programs abroad combine research, hands-on labs, and internship placement. You'll study neural networks, computer vision, and NLP. To ensure success, publish small projects, learn development, and contribute to open source. At number 6 on the list, we have healthcare, nursing, and allied health sciences. This is one of the most stable career fields globally. Countries like Canada, UK, and Germany are actively recruiting international nurses and public health graduates. Courses abroad include clinical placements and internships that often turn into full-time jobs. Do check your program is accredited and learn the local medical regulation. Focus on in-demand specialties like geriatric and critical care. At number 5 is Sustainable Energy and Environmental Engineering. The world is going green, literally. Clean energy projects are booming and demand skilled engineers for solar, wind, and climate modeling. Study renewable energy systems, sustainability policy, and environmental analytics. Add data analysis or project management skills to boost your employment. At number 4, we've got International Business, Supply Chain Management, and Fintech. Global trade, logistics, and digital banking are exploding fast. Business schools abroad offer internship programs and corporate projects that lead directly to employment. To stand out, learn cross-cultural communication, combine finance with analytics, and pick programs that include cooperation internships. Which of these countries matches your dream job, and where would you love to study? Let us know in the comments. At number 3, we have robotics, Mechatronics and IoT. Automation is transforming every industry from healthcare robots to smart agriculture. Universities abroad often have robotic labs that connect students to industries. To succeed, build your own prototypes, participate in robotics competitions, and learn both hardware and coding. At number 2, bioinformatics and computational biology. This is the future of medicine, decoding genes with data. As personalized medicine grows, bioinformaticians are becoming essential in pharma and biotech. Learn programming, genetics, and statistics together. Publish projects online or collaborate with research labs. And finally, at top 1, we have computer science and software engineering. This remains the global leader in guaranteed jobs. Every company from startups to Fortune 500s needs software developers. Programs abroad include co-ops and paid internships with big firms. You'll learn programming, algorithms, and databases along with full stack development. To guarantee success, focus on DSA, build strong projects, and attend hackathons. To actually make your job guarantee real, follow these 5 steps. First, pick universities with verified internships or co-op programs. Second, build your portfolio with real projects. Third, network with alumni and mentors abroad. Fourth, improve your communication and language skills. And last, always check the fine print. Make sure that guarantee is real, not marketing hype. So there you have it. The top 10 courses abroad with 100% job guarantee. From AI and robotics to healthcare and business. There's something for everyone. Which course matches your dream career? Tell us in the comments and I'll read everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your study buddy and subscribe because the Student Helpline is here to make your study abroad journey smarter and easier. Thank you for watching.